નમસ્કાર, આપ જોઈ રહ્યા છો સ્પાર્ક ટુડે ન્યૂઝ. વડોદરા શહેરમાં આવેલી ઓએનજીસી બરોડા હાઈસ્કૂલ દ્વારા શાળા પ્રવેશોત્સવ 2025-26ની ઉજવણી કરવામાં આવી. આ પ્રસંગે મુખ્ય મહેમાન તરીકે આઈએએસ ઓફિસર કમલ દયાની, મેનેજિંગ ડિરેક્ટર ઓફ જીએસએફસી હાજર રહ્યા. ઓએનજીસી બરોડા હાઈસ્કૂલના ટ્રસ્ટી ડોક્ટર જગદીશ શુક્લા તથા સ્કૂલના પ્રિન્સિપાલ ડોક્ટર મહેશ પટેલ, ટીચર, સ્ટાફ, સ્કૂલના વિદ્યાર્થીઓ આ તમામની ઉપસ્થિતિમાં ઉજવણી કરવામાં આવી. જ્યાં જ્યાં નવા પ્રવેશ થયેલ વિદ્યાર્થીઓ છે તેમને યોગ્ય માર્ગદર્શન આપવામાં આવ્યું અને ઓએનજીસી બરોડા હાઈસ્કૂલમાં કઈ કઈ પ્રકારની વિશેષતાઓ છે તેના વિશે માહિતી આપવામાં આવી. આ પ્રવેશોત્સવ સેકન્ડરી અને હાયર સેકન્ડરીના વિદ્યાર્થીઓ માટે યોજવામાં આવ્યો હતો.
Small capital expenditures, some maintenance grants, but ultimately the challenge is to give a quality education. So all of you have whatever we learn in the primary education. This is the time to consolidate and give further push to your dreams, your ambition. This is a
serene setting. This is why I would not like to live in Nandesari. You prioritize modernity and space over historic congestion. Sevasi provides contemporary residential options, including apartments and villas with modern amenities, ample parking and more open spaces. While Raupura Central and historically rich is characterized by dense, older construction, narrow roads and significant traffic, leading to more congested and noisy urban experience. You prefer the comfort, convenience of newer infrastructure and more suburban feel. This is why I would not like to live in Raupura. You prioritized a balanced lifestyle. Sevasi offers a peaceful atmosphere, ideal for families with access to good schools and hospitals, coupled with recreational facilities. This indicates a
Secretary of Lions Education Trust, Shri Jagdish Shukla ji, principals Mahesh ji and Joshi ji of these two schools in the campus, and all of you dear students for whom this today's function or whatever ceremony we can say that has been organized. Good morning to all of you.
good morning, sir.
I am really amazed as I walked into the ONGC township and saw this beautiful campus. I am so impressed by the surroundings and the infrastructure which is there in your school. Not many schools, you also must have realized, even in Baroda city, in other places, have these kind of surroundings which is ideal for a school. Very peaceful, serene, natural surroundings, playgrounds, nice classrooms, schools. Not many schools in Baroda city must be having this kind of a campus. So really, I think you are all privileged to have such a beautiful and amazing campus. You have both the primary section and the secondary section here. I have been told that this school, which is being managed by Baroda Education Trust right from 60s, is such an old institution, and these schools are being managed pretty well for last so many years. You have a strong alumni network of these schools, high schools and primary schools. Students from passing out from these schools, they have gone to various courses, they have joined companies. One of them, Mr. Shukla was giving example of the CEO of STD Bank. So it's really amazing, and you are really privileged, and so fortunate to be part of this school, I must say. But infrastructure and surroundings and the nice campus which someone has given to you, as a student, I think we should try to make full use of this. Full use of how to make the full use of the campus here. Within classrooms, obviously, you are under the able guidance of your teachers. You must be very sincere and attentive enough to get maximum out of what they are teaching every day, in every session, in every period. And outside the school, you have such a good playground, some nice skating rink, which I saw, so much of open space, one can really relish and enjoy. It's so nice to be here. So dear students, I think you are all in the secondary and higher secondary section now in school, and most of you, I've been told, are you have come from the primary section of this very campus. Some of you, you have joined from other primary after completion of the primary schools. The main objective of organizing, you know, the Praveshotsav, which is organized and celebrated every year when the new session starts. In the earlier years, this is going on for last 20 years. And earlier the emphasis was only on the primary schools, because in the villages and especially in some of the city areas and city schools, the enrollment in the schools was pretty low. In the sense that those who are eligible to get admitted in KG or in class 1, some of them, they were not coming to the school. Initially, the 20 years back, the objective was to give maximum enrollment to the eligible children in the primary, that is in the class 1. But over a period of time, government has taken initiative, society has become conscious, the parents have been sensitized enough. So it's heartening to note that now, at least...
Good morning. We are very fortunate and blessed to have today with us a very competent IAS officer and very senior most IAS officer of our Gujarat government, Shri Kamal Dayanji. Let's give a big round of applause to him. Our esteemed principals, both Shri Mahesh Bhai and Shri Joshi ji, presence of Shri Vignesh Bhai, all the concerned officers of our DEO office who are present here, Shri Dhaval Bhai, our Chief Administrative and Financial Officers of our Landscape Education Trust, all the distinguished faculty members of Baroda High School ONGC, and my dear students. First of all, it's indeed a proud privilege for me that in the beginning of the school and this academic year, I have an opportunity to meet and address you through this Sada Pravotsav 2025-26 program, and I convey my best wishes as well as let you have an excellent academic year and education throughout the year. Also, our heartiest congratulations to all the achievers who have received the prizes. Some of them have received, I think we have not covered all because there are many, but we sincerely wish that this year also that same tradition continues and many more becomes the achiever at the end of the year. Sir, for the benefits of all of you, Baroda Lions Club Education Trust manages the school in 4 locations, and Kamalji, as I was mentioning to you, one of the most preferred school among all our 4 schools in Baroda is none other than ONGC. some of our students who are sitting, I think majority of them would have their seamless education right from playgroup till now in 12th class, which we have for commerce. So they continue their journey from that playgroup till 12th class year. And there are many achievers from Baroda Lions Club Education Trust who have excelled in the field. Either it is medicine, it is engineering, either in chartered accountancy, or let it be an advocacy, but they have excelled in the field. To give you one of the examples, one of the student from Bagikhana, one time was the Citibank CEO, Sri Vikram Pandit, who passed out from Baroda High School, Bagikhana. Our trust strives for excellence in education at very affordable fee structure, and that's the motto of the trust, and with which we try to impart the education. At the same time, we are very much concerned to have an holistic, all-round development of the students, and that's what the efforts we do right from their playgroup till they complete their education up to the 12th class. So some of the initiative other than the academics which the trust has taken, some of the very meaningful educational program which we conduct, like one of the program is now we have tied up with the Cambridge University, the Cambridge Education Board, to have improvised English as a subject and English as a spoken English among our students as well as teachers. And that program, we have been doing it both for teachers as well as for students. That's one of the initiative. We also have one of the very meaningful program which is for the value-based education called Skills for Adolescence and Skills for Growing, which is addressing positive prevention program, say to no to the drugs, good decision making, and then have a proper leadership. These are some of the values which are inculcated in this program. So all the four campus have Atal Tinkering Lab through our Atal Innovation Mission. In fact, Vadodara district have 27 tinkering labs in this part of it. So out of that 4 tinkering labs and one of the lab is now located in our ONGC campus, which is very well acknowledged, not only acknowledged, but students are very actively participating in this tinkering lab, and they come out with very meaningful and very innovative projects year over year. They part in different entrepreneurship, thinkpreneurship, as well as there are many competitions which gets held from the Atal Innovation Mission where they are participating. We have another very meaningful program which we have signed with Vadodara Innovation Council. So for the benefit of you, that's the only city-based innovation council we have in India, which is registered under Section 8, not-for-profit company, and we have a program called Tod Phod Jod. The meaning itself is it's basically an experiential learning for the students on the identified 25 gadgets. So they open the gadget, they see what is there inside the gadget, what are the different building blocks, principle involved. They then once again put the gadget in the same order. So that is called Jod. So Tod Phod Jod. And the purpose of this that when they come across any problem and this helps in their problem solving skills. So in case they have known different building blocks, they can think about how they can apply those building blocks in solving the problems. So these are one of the very great initiative which we have. Our students take very actively participate, not only the academic part also is very well covered right from playgroup till 12th class, and we are very fortunate that our students excel in this field very well. So once again, not taking much of your time, we welcome you in this academic year, and Government of Gujarat's initiative on Shala Pravotsav 2025-26 is one of the very good step in welcoming you with the hope that all of you will excel in your field, whichever you do. Once again, we welcome you all. Thank you so much.
ગુજરાત સરકાર શિક્ષણ વિભાગ તેમજ નિયામક શિક્ષણ વિભાગની કચેરી, જિલ્લા શિક્ષણાધિકારી કચેરી વડોદરાના માર્ગદર્શન હેઠળ આ વખતનો પ્રવેશોત્સવ બરોડા હાઈસ્કૂલ ઓએનજીસી ખાતે આજરોજ યોજાયો, જેમાં આઈએએસ ઓફિસર શ્રી કમલ દયાણી સર, એડિશનલ ચીફ સેક્રેટરી, ગુજરાત ગવર્મેન્ટ મહાનુભાવે અહીંયા મુલાકાત લીધી. આ શાળામાં ધોરણ 9 થી 12 ગ્રાન્ટીન એઇડ સેક્શન વિભાગ છે. ગ્રાન્ટીન એઇડ સેક્શનમાં ધોરણ 9 અને ધોરણ 11માં મહત્તમ વિદ્યાર્થીઓ જોડાય, ડ્રોપ આઉટ રેટ ઘટે, એના માટે ગુજરાત સરકાર દ્વારા આ વિશિષ્ટ આયોજન શાળા પ્રવેશોત્સવનું છેલ્લા 2 વર્ષથી માધ્યમિક વિભાગ માટે પણ કરવામાં આવે છે. ધોરણ 9 અને 11માં પ્રવેશ મેળવેલ વિદ્યાર્થીઓને ગુજરાત સરકાર દ્વારા મળતી વિવિધ યોજનાઓ, મફત પાઠ્યપુસ્તક, આ ઉપરાંત શિષ્યવૃત્તિમાં કયા કયા લાભ થાય એની પણ વિગતવાર માહિતી આ પ્રવેશોત્સવ દ્વારા આપવામાં આવે છે. અને ખૂબ સુંદર આયોજન અને ડીઓ કચેરીના માર્ગદર્શન હેઠળ આજે શાળા પ્રવેશોત્સવ બરોડા હાઈસ્કૂલ ઓએનજીસી ખાતે પૂરો થયો છે. મારું નામ મહેશ પટેલ, પ્રિન્સિપાલ બરોડા હાઈસ્કૂલ ઓએનજીસી.
આજરોજ ગવર્મેન્ટ ઓફ ગુજરાતના શાળા પ્રવેશોત્સવનું જે 3 દિવસનું આયોજન થયું છે એના પહેલા દિવસે અહીંયા વડોદરા ખાતે બરોડા હાઈસ્કૂલ ઓએનજીસીમાં અમારા બહુ સૌભાગ્ય હતું કે અમને સિનિયર મોસ્ટ આઈએએસ ઓફિસર અને ગુજરાત સ્ટેટ ફર્ટિલાઇઝર કંપની લિમિટેડના મેનેજિંગ ડિરેક્ટર શ્રી કમલ દયાની સાહેબ, બીઈઓના ઓફિસર્સ અને અમારા શાળાના આચાર્ય શ્રી મહેશભાઈ, આ સર્વે થકી આ પ્રવેશોત્સવનું આયોજન કર્યું હતું, જેમાં અમારા શાળાના 9 થી 12 ધોરણ સુધીના બધા જ વિદ્યાર્થી ભાઈ બહેનોએ ખૂબ ઉત્સાહથી ભાગ લીધો હતો. અને ખૂબ જ પ્રેરણાદાયક પ્રવચન શ્રી કમલ દયાની સાહેબે આપણા બાળકોને આપ્યું હતું કે આનો શું હેતુ છે અને એમને જે ભણતર 9 થી 12 ધોરણ સુધીમાં એમને એમના ભણતરમાં બંને એકેડેમિક અને એક્સ્ટ્રા કરિક્યુલર એક્ટિવિટીમાં કેવી રીતે સારી રીતે ભાગ લઈ અને એક સફળ વિદ્યાર્થી થાય એના માટેનું એક માર્ગદર્શન આપ્યું. હું નવા વિદ્યાર્થીઓને કહેવા માગું છું કે આપનું ભવિષ્ય બહુ જ ઉજ્જવળ છે. શાળામાં ઘણી તકો છે. આપને તમારા અભ્યાસક્રમ દરમિયાન જે તમે એકેડેમિક માટે તો ભણો જ છો, પણ એ સિવાય પણ બીજી બધી ઓલરાઉન્ડ ડેવલપમેન્ટ થવા માટેની ખૂબ જ સગવડ અહીંયા આ બરોડા હાઈસ્કૂલ ઓએનજીસીમાં ઉપલબ્ધ છે. એનો તમારે પૂરેપૂરો ઉપયોગ કરી અને તમે એમાં સફળ થાઓ એવી હું શુભેચ્છા પાઠવું છું. મારું નામ જગદીશ શુક્લ, મેનેજિંગ ટ્રસ્ટી, બરોડા લાયન્સ ક્લબ એજ્યુકેશન ટ્રસ્ટ.